everybody, Anne Leslie here from Southern California, San Clemente. Today I'm going to do the demo for the line dance Fever Dream. It is by Karl-Harry Winson, and it is 48 counts, 2 walls, 3 restarts. The music is by Alex Warren. If you would like to learn a tutorial with this dance, go to my channel at Dance with Anne Leslie. All right, let's get started. We have a 16 count intro. Here we go.
How did you know I was open for the side? My heart was so close to close and tight. Something about you hit me like a freight train to the chest door. Blood dripping back, oh, my loneliness left the room the second that you walked in. Something like a fever dream, got me selecting, makes me think I'm seeing things like a shadow stitching us out of the blues. I'll be down if you love me, down if you don't. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's fate, told you I ain't no liar. Watching you leave some of my dreams, baby, it hit me like a freight train to the chest, blood dripping back, my loneliness left the room the second that you walked in. Something like a fever dream, got me slept in, makes me think I'm seeing things like a shadow stitching us out of the blues. I'll be down if you love me, down if you don't. One foot on the edge, blood silhouette, I can't forget. Something about you hit me like a freight train to the chest, blood dripping back, my loneliness left the room the second that you walked in. Something like a fever dream, got me selecting, makes me think I'm seeing things like a shadow stitching us out of the clothes. I'll be down if you love me, down if you don't. Oh, if you don't.
Yes! Just want to share with you, it took me 20 times to get that right. Oh, that's why I'm so red. All right, everybody, so go to the tutorial at Dance with Anne Leslie. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm quite new to this, but I'm enjoying it. All righty, so have a wonderful day, evening, morning, wherever you're looking at this, and don't stop line dancing. All right, take care. Bye-bye.